Mars, also known as the red planet due to its red soil and atmosphere. At present, there is a whole lot of discussion being done about colonizing the red planet. So, can we really colonize much? Some of the companies such as SpaceX and NASA are working and have sent different Mars rovers in the red planet, among which 5 of them are active at present, which are Sojourner, Spirit, Curiosity, and Perseverance, and last of all, Opportunity. These are the 5 Mars rovers active in Mars that send data information from the red planet to Earth. So, now let's see some of the plans and ideas for future projects regarding Mars colonization that are conducted for the future. At first, in 2022, the first cargo spaceship will land in Mars, taking different kinds of cargo and things that will help to colonize Mars. This cargo spaceship will land in Mars in 2022. Then, in 2024, the first humans will set their foot on Mars, and this will be the first time any human has ever put their feet on the red planet. And after then, the whole process of colonization will start. This colonization will go on until we put a colony or human colony to say in Mars. So at first, people will live in domes because the outside environment is not suitable for them. There will be production in domes. Huge cities will also be built in domes. Because the atmosphere of Mars is not breathable for humans. Along with that, there are huge sandstorms that continuously move through the red planet, covering the whole planet sometimes. So, it's not habitable for humans. So, now let's see some plans and ideas that are being conducted or constituted in order to colonize the red planet. At first, 3D printer might play a major role in it. You see, it is actually not possible to take everything from Earth to Mars because it is both expensive and difficult. So, and we have to colonize Mars, and if we have to colonize Mars, we have to make Mars a self-sufficient planet. So, what can we do to that? 3D printers? Yeah, that can be a good idea. 3D printers can help in different types of construction in the Mars in order to build a human colony in it. These 3D printers can use the Martian soil and one of the most common materials on Mars, which is silicon dioxide, in order to build different constructions. Now, let's come to production. At first, in the same way, not everything is possible to bring from Earth to Mars, mainly oxygen and other supplies. So, really, to say the truth, the Martian atmosphere is not suitable for life, but it also has some useful materials to support the growth of plants. Here, plants can be grown using materials such as carbon dioxide, nitrogen, potassium, and other minerals that can help the growth of plants. So, how do you say? Plants can be grown in specialized chambers inside the Mars using the Martian components that I have talked about actually. So in this way, production can be done in Mars using the necessary components. Also, if we do production of plants in Mars, they will produce oxygen, and thus the production of oxygen can be done in Mars. In the same way, they will also produce some fruits and also some vegetables, which can also help to make Mars a well self-sufficient, right? But what about the water? It is very important for humans, right? There is water on Mars, but it is in an ice form. Not all of them, but much of it. Also, there is a bit of water near the core, not near the core, but underground in Mars. There is also a bit of water in the atmosphere of Mars, which is in the vaporized form. So, at first, we have to extract this water. In a system called the fog mist system, it's possible to extract water in this fog mist system actually. In this system, actually, the Martian water or Martian vaporized water will be extracted, and then they can be converted from vaporized form to a liquefied form, and then after purifying it, we can surely drink it. So another small factor will work here, which is gravity. You know about gravity, right? Here the small problem is that the gravity of Mars is 38% than that of Earth. It's way less than we are adjusted to. So this is a slight problem, but it would not be a bigger problem because astronauts are already adjusted to live in zero gravity. And we have to adjust if we want to adjust a colony in Mars. So Elon Musk, who is the founder of SpaceX, thinks to set up almost 1 million people or citizens in Mars within 2050, and then we might actually be able to set up a colony in Mars. So despite the odds, there are still chances of it being happening, and if it happens and the mission comes successful, humans will be the first to colonize Mars and might be the first extraterrestrial species not only in Earth but also might even be the whole solar system. Isn't it amazing? Do you want to live in Mars? Tell us in the comments below. So with that, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. That's all for today, and we will meet you in our next video. Thank you.